Hello, everyone. My name is Lisa, and I'm here on behalf of the Tea Center to share some mindfulness practices with you today. And today, I really want to focus on what it would be like to feel calm like the water in this picture. You know, we've all seen it. We've looked out on a calm lake or a calm river, and it just looks so peaceful. And so there are ways that we can use something called waterfall breath to feel that peace within ourselves. And it's so simple. All you do is you take a big breath in through your nose. And when you breathe out, you make the sound of water. So it's that shh sound. It kind of sounds like a waterfall. So if you want, you could lift your hands up and take a big breath in. And then wiggle your fingers like water droplets as you breathe out and come down. So that's another option. Another thing that can feel really, really nice sometimes, and I'm going to take my glasses off for this, is as you practice your waterfall breath and you're saying your shh, you take your pitter-patter fingers and you just pitter-patter them all over your forehead or maybe your cheeks. You could pitter-patter on your shoulders, on your body, anywhere really. And I call that the pitter-patter massage. So give that a try. Take a big breath in through your nose. Waterfall breath out. And just pitter patter your fingers. Big breath in. And with every breath that you take, you might notice that your exhale gets longer. It's kind of like the tide is coming in longer on the beach or wherever the water would come in or out. And there's one more layer to this where we could really imagine, really visualize this idea that our body and our mind is experiencing this calm, like the calm water. Now, I just have, it's a scarf with me today. You could use a stuffed animal, you could use a bean bag, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pretend that this scarf is kind of like a boat, all right? And then I'm gonna lie down, well, I'm on my ground, but you could go on your couch or your bed and you have your boat with you. You're imagining like the scarf or the stuffy, whatever you have as a boat. And you might notice that when I practice my waterfall breath now, pay attention to the boat. All right, pay attention. Does it move at all as I breathe in and my belly gets bigger, and when I breathe out, my belly gets smaller? So, I mean, you'd think it would move just a little bit. So watch for it. And if you don't have anything with you yet, that's okay. You could just have your hands on your belly and you can feel your belly expand as you breathe in and feel it go back to neutral on the way out. So you choose. I'm going to stay on the ground with my boat and I'm going to let the calm water breath let the boat stay on my belly, but kind of ebb and flow up and down. You could do the pitter patter massage on your head, on your shoulders, on your legs, or you could just do the breath. And we're going to practice it 3 times together, getting deeper with every breath that we take. All right, so big breath in. Waterfall breath out. Big breath in. Waterfall breath out. One more time. Big breath in. Waterfall breath out. And it can be that simple to use our breath to help us find a sense of calm. I'm wondering how you're feeling, if you're feeling any calmer right now after taking those deep waterfall breaths. We're going to wrap up our time together. We're feeling calm. We're going to send some love out into the world and love into our heart and into our body, which we just created some space for. Okay, so I'll put my hands, actually, why don't I put my hands on my belly, just like the boat. And as I send these wishes, you're going to repeat after me, okay? I wish for you to be happy. I wish for you to be healthy. I wish for you to be free. And I wish for you to feel love. And I wish to be happy. Maybe you could put your hands on your heart now. I wish to be healthy. I wish to be free. And I wish to feel loved. Thank you so much for joining in today for our mindful moments, our waterfall breath for some calm. I hope that if you enjoyed these practices, you'll like the video and you'll share it with the people that you love, that you hope will feel calm too. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day. Thank you again. My name is Lisa on behalf of the Tea Center. And I hope that you will keep practicing. Bye-bye.